Okay, so right here we can go ahead and just do some stitching down the center on either side of that line. So do that side and then come back over and do this side. Okay, just give it a little bit more color. We could do some down here. And then around this part. Okay, so our final thing here on this cake is we're going to do a bandana over the top. I might need to move that horseshoe just a little bit. And this is what we're going to write on, because you don't want to just write right on the cake. So just a little bit of the red fondant. Okay, so for this one, what we're going to do, we're not going to do the little squares like we did on the side. We're actually going to cut it at an angle like this, and then straight down this way. And actually, this part needs to be a little thinner. That's the part that would be tied. Ooh, and this is actually a perfect tie for the other side. Okay, I'm thinking this is going to have to move. We'll probably put it right back on top of it. We'll kind of bend this over a little bit. Curve this around. Take that other piece. This was it. It's going to go behind it. And just wrap that over. Go ahead and take our horseshoe. Now let me do the writing first. We'll just say it's for Bob. Okay. So we'll just write his name in here first. So you can see that there. And then we'll work around the name. Okay, so we'll just do the same type of decoration that we did on the sides. So we did some kind of circular things, and then we did some rectangle type and some square type patterns. And then just some little dots. Okay, so we need this back on here. Actually, I think I'll go ahead and angle it this way now. Since we have this one going this way, may as well go ahead and pop this one right over here. Oh, and I almost forgot the best part, the saddle. It's still in the freezer. Let me pull it out. Okay, so to unmask this, you just kind of pull on it a little bit. Like this part tore off just a little bit, but I can go ahead and pop it back on. Very cool. Look at that. Look at the detail on that. And then this will go right in here. Okay, so what I want to do is just bend it a little bit, and I'm going to place it right over here because this is pretty much the only spot left for this. That, and then this will sit right down there. There we go, now it's finished.